ask yourself the question, why are they giving you a lower payment, a lower interest rate? Here's why. Because they know something you don't know. They understand the game. So they'll send you a letter saying, we're going to give you a lower interest rate and you'll have a lower monthly payment on your mortgage. But the reason they're going to do that is because if you do that, you got, say, 13 years left on your mortgage. Now you have to start a whole new 30-year mortgage, and the first 10 years of your mortgage, most of the money you pay goes to interest. So even though you're paying a lower interest rate when you refinance your house and get a lower payment, even though you're paying a lower interest rate, you're paying more in interest than if you had kept the higher interest rate.
I mean, it's half right.
Yeah.
I mean, I think he's assuming that there's like some big group out there trying to like get over on everybody. The real answer is the mortgage industry just wants to get paid again. I mean, you refi, you get a lower rate, you should do that. You know, that's great. But if you were on a 30-year amortization and 5 years later you go to refinance it, you should refinance it on a 25-year amortization. You should take advantage of the interest rate, but you want to keep the payoff date the same so that you keep on schedule. You're going to get a lower payment because of the interest rate reduction, and you're going to keep it on the same amortization schedule. If you reset the amortization schedule, well, then it might as well just been an interest-only loan because you're paying almost solely interest in the beginning. There's two parts. They're not some conspiracy where they're like, hey, you know what, refinance and we're going to keep people on these mortgages forever. I think it's just they refinance a 30-year mortgage, and that's a standard mortgage. You can always ask to get a 25-year amortization. Just like there's 30-year mortgages and 15-year mortgages in relation to term, you can do a 25. I think he's half right, but there's not conspiracy. It's just how it is.